G'day everyone, we're going to do some more mushrooms, but this time we're going to do them in bags that I got from Temu. I've had the straw soaking for at least 24 hours in an alkaline solution, so that should be good. I've sterilised my mat to mix it on. I'll sterilise my hands again. And I've sterilised the outer bag of our spore. So let's tip this out into the mat, our Temu mat. Ah, now it's gone everywhere. And as I was worried about, the clips aren't terribly strong, so we need to be very careful with that. Alright. Now we're going to mix our spore through. This is our Silver Shimeji. Left over from previously. We take it out. See if we can break it up a bit. Break it all up. Don't want any large lumps in there. We want it broken down to individual grains if we can. I've probably done a fairly light lot of spore here, but we shall hope for the best. Probably should have weighed it. That's what I should have done. Alright, let's try a bag now. Oop, there's another big lump there. Alright, we're going to pack it nice and tightly in here. So that's half a kilo of spawn, but I didn't weigh the sack of straw, which I should have. Don't want any air gaps in there, otherwise the mushrooms will start growing in the air gaps, which is a problem we're going to have with the buckets, I think. That should do us, I hope. Now, yeah, that's enough. Let's squash it right down. Okay, we've filled the bags up. We've compressed it down to get as much air out as we can. We now give it a spin and tie it up with a cable tie. And there it is. So we've got 3 of these. the little breather on there, and we've got a little one, which is going to be a bit of a problem because the breathing thing is too far up. But what we'll do is we shall give it a shot as it stands, see what happens. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So this one's just going to go in the greenhouse because in case something goes wrong with it, I don't want it contaminating the others. These three will be going into the bottom shelf of Bruce to stay nice and warm. So we'll head over to our grow house with our 3 good bags. Walk this way. Okay, so we're going to put these in down here. Which is warmer than outside, but not actually hot. So hopefully they will enjoy that sort of temperature. And our little trial one, or leftover, it's really a leftover, it's not really a trial, we shall pop in here. So I won't put him near the other mushrooms, I'll put him over there. Alright, with any luck, they'll turn white with the mycelium, then we'll put a couple of little holes in it to let the mushrooms flower out of, and we'll have some more mushrooms, with luck. So, hang in there, Bruce. Enjoy life, and I'll catch you in the garden.